Let's see how to find all posts you're tagged in at once on Facebook if you want to see all your memories, mentions, or shared moments in one place. So for that, let's launch the app and go straight to your profile. Tap on this three dot and then go to Activity Log. Tap on your Facebook activity to expand it. Scroll down in here, and there is activity you are tagged in. You can tap on it, and then you can either go to posts and comments you're tagged in, or photos and videos you're tagged in. Or if you tap on Manage Tags, all categories, every single tagged post will show up in this list. If you tap on this three dot, there are several functions you can perform like view, hide from profile, remove tag, and stuff like that. And this is a way to find all the posts you have ever tagged in on Facebook at once in one place. Thanks for watching.